Virtual reality has come a long way since its early days, evolving from simple, pixelated experiences to fully immersive, lifelike worlds. But what if I told you that the latest innovation from Meta is about to change the game forever? Enter the Meta Quest 3, the next groundbreaking evolution in VR and mixed reality technology. Whether you're a passionate gamer, a tech enthusiast, or simply curious about the future of digital experiences, this is something you're definitely going to want to stick around for. Let's start with the design. The Meta Quest 3 isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of the VR headset. It's slimmer, lighter, and more comfortable than its predecessors, setting a new standard for long-term wearability. Meta has designed this headset with an intense focus on extended play sessions, ensuring that you can stay fully immersed in your virtual world without ever feeling weighed down or uncomfortable. Whether you're exploring new dimensions for just 10 minutes or diving deep into another reality for 10 hours, the Meta Quest 3 is built to keep you comfortable, engaged, and ready for whatever comes next. But comfort is only the beginning. Under the hood, the Meta Quest 3 is powered by the next-generation Snapdragon XR2 chipset, delivering faster processing, better graphics, and an overall smoother, more responsive experience. Imagine stepping into a world where everything feels more real, more vibrant, and infinitely more interactive. This is the kind of immersion that the Meta Quest 3 is designed to deliver, transforming every virtual experience into something extraordinary. Now, if you're wondering how the Meta Quest 3 stacks up against the Quest 2, let me break it down for you. The Quest 3 isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete redefinition of what VR can be. With its advanced mixed reality capabilities, the Quest 3 doesn't just immerse you in virtual worlds. It blends them seamlessly with your physical environment. This is where the true future of VR begins, creating experiences that are not just virtual, but truly interconnected with the real world around you. Thanks to the high-resolution, full-color pass-through cameras, you can now see and interact with your surroundings while still fully engaged with virtual content. Imagine playing a game where the boundaries between your living room and a fantasy world blur together, creating a seamless experience where reality and imagination collide. Or picture attending a virtual meeting where digital objects appear right on your desk, making collaboration feel as natural as being there in person. The possibilities are truly endless. And what's a VR headset without great controllers? The Meta Quest 3 introduces revamped controllers that are not only more ergonomic but also far more intuitive. With enhanced tracking and haptics, these controllers make your virtual interactions feel incredibly real and responsive. Whether you're swinging a sword in a high-stakes battle, throwing a ball with pinpoint accuracy, or navigating a complex digital interface, the precision and feedback of these controllers are top-notch, elevating your VR experience to new heights. But it's not just about gaming. The versatility of the Meta Quest 3 is what truly sets it apart. These controllers and the headset itself make working in VR more efficient, learning more interactive, and socializing more engaging. Imagine working out in your living room with a personal trainer who appears right beside you in virtual form, guiding you through each exercise. Or attending a live concert where the band plays right in your own home, with an experience so immersive it feels like you're really there. Or even exploring educational content that brings history, science, and art to life in ways textbooks never could, making learning both fun and unforgettable. And here's the kicker, it's affordable. Meta is on a mission to make VR accessible to everyone, not just hardcore gamers or tech enthusiasts. The Meta Quest 3 is priced competitively, making it a viable option for households looking to explore the world of virtual and mixed reality without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking to play, learn, work, or simply explore, the Meta Quest 3 is designed to fit seamlessly into your life, transforming the way you interact with technology and the world around you. So, is the Meta Quest 3 the future of VR and mixed reality? Absolutely. But don't just take our word for it, experience the revolution for yourself. The Meta Quest 3 isn't just another headset. It's the gateway to endless possibilities, a device that opens up new worlds, new ways of learning, new methods of working, and entirely new forms of entertainment. Welcome to the next level, where the boundaries between reality and imagination are only the beginning of your journey. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and drop a comment below to let us know. What's the first thing you'd try with the Meta Quest 3? We can't wait to hear your thoughts and see where your adventures take you.